A regular day turns into chaos as the skies open up, not with raindrops, but with ice pellets the size of golf balls. Yep, you guessed it. We're talking about those spine-chilling moments when hail decides to make an entrance. Imagine people scrambling for cover, cars suddenly resembling Swiss cheese, and the sound of hail hitting everything in its path. It's a symphony of chaos orchestrated by the weather gods. Now, the aftermath is no joke. Shattered windshields, dented roofs, hail doesn't discriminate. It's like a meteorological mosh pit leaving its mark wherever it goes.